Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you an awesome new mod for Battle Cats that works on both Android and iOS devices. Make sure you stick around till the end because this mod has some really cool features you don't want to miss. And hey, if you enjoy this, consider hitting that subscribe button to support the channel. So what's inside this mod? First off, there's a handy gear icon right on the screen. Tap that and you'll open the mod menu. The main highlight? Unlimited cat food, and a huge boost in other in-game resources, all instantly added with just a few taps. But that's not all. There are extra tweaks to enhance your gameplay and make the experience way more fun. Just a quick note, this mod works best if you have the latest version of Battle Cats installed. If you're wondering where to get this mod, check the comments section below. I've put together a detailed guide explaining exactly how and where you can find it. Alright. Now let's jump into the mod menu and get those resources maxed out. You'll see the cat food and other bonuses shoot up right after tapping the options. Super simple and effective. If you try this mod out and it works for you, drop a comment and let me know how it went. Your feedback really helps. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool game mods and updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember, you can find this Battle Cats mod at ogappbox.com. See you next time.